NVIDIA is what we need to talk about. It has gone down. It hit a new high yesterday, but has since gone down some. What do you think will happen with NVIDIA the rest of the year? I believe it's good for the stock to go down. My guess is that it will take a break here for the rest of the year and then keep going up, as long as it keeps reporting strong earnings, which I have no reason to doubt. You might forget about NVIDIA's past if you only look at it every day. Its market value was $754 billion a year ago, but now it's a lot more. Since last year, it's been like a rocket, making chips that people want all the time. Many people say that demand is higher than supply. I wouldn't sell the stock here myself. It looks like a long-term play to me. If you want to keep a stock for a long time, now could be a good time to buy when the price is low. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to talk in depth about NVIDIA, a major player in tech stocks and a leader in AI technology. Recent changes in NVIDIA's stock price and a lot of new things coming up will be covered in this article. We'll talk about what's new with NVIDIA, how it's positioning itself in the AI market, and why it's still an important stock for tech buyers to keep an eye on. We'll also look at how these changes will affect Tesla and compare them. In this video, we'll look at how the markets work for NVIDIA and Tesla, the creative strategies that are helping them grow, and what experts think will happen to them in the future. We'll also talk about what NVIDIA's big steps forward in AI mean for society as a whole and how they compare to other tech changes. Stay tuned as we break all of this down and more. Thanks for visiting. This is the right place for you if you're interested in how tech and investment companies like Tesla and NVIDIA are changing the future. But first, make sure you click like and subscribe. Hey there, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's begin. Let's look more closely at NVIDIA. Its stock has been under pressure lately, even though it hit a new high yesterday. Today, there was a small drop in NVIDIA's stock price, which has gone up an amazing 2,000% in the last 10 years. NVIDIA recently had a stock split to make shares easier for individual investors to buy, especially those who couldn't get fractional shares. The company is known for its strong growth in the semiconductor business. Even though they split up, NVIDIA's market value jumped to an amazing $3 trillion, an extra trillion in just a few months. Analysts are still on the fence about NVIDIA. Argus Research's Jim Keller raised his price goal from $110 to $150, which means the stock could go up by almost 20%. Vivek Arya of Bank of America has a $150 price goal for NVIDIA because he thinks the company is undervalued. This brings us to an important point of discussion: how investors think and how markets work. With NVIDIA's fast growth, some people may wonder if buyers are getting tired of the company or if high profit margins could cause people to sell their shares. Shia thinks this could be a good sign for the market. He says that people should hold on to NVIDIA shares for a long time and use short-term drops to increase their positions. This situation is a lot like Tesla's, which is another famous tech giant known for its rapid growth and groundbreaking inventions. Like NVIDIA, Tesla has mastered the art of using cutting-edge technology and smart market moves to solidify its place as a leader in both the energy and auto industries. Both companies show how important strong foundations, strong financial health, new product pipelines, and visionary leadership are for long-term growth that lasts. Tesla's path, like NVIDIA's, is marked by big strategic choices, like using advanced battery technology to change the way electric cars work and expanding into green energy solutions. Like NVIDIA's dominance in the AI chip market, Tesla's constant search for new ideas increases its market share and sets a high bar for competitors. Also, Tesla's ability to deal with governmental issues, supply chain problems, and changes in the economy is similar to NVIDIA's ability to handle problems that are unique to its industry. Both businesses have shown that temporary market setbacks can be turned into growth and expansion opportunities if you have a strong foundation and are quick to seize new opportunities. In the tech industry, the stories of Tesla and NVIDIA support a larger theme. Constant innovation, strategic planning, and strong execution are necessary to stay ahead and have long-term success in markets that change quickly. Today is a bad day for NVIDIA stock, which dropped 4% to end the week. Even though things are bad right now, one expert thinks the tech giant has a bright future and predicts big growth. Head of technology research at Melius Research, Ben Riss, raised his price goal for NVIDIA to $160 with confidence. This is the fifth change he has made this year. He thinks that over the next 3 years, NVIDIA will be able to make more than $270 billion in cash. This level of financial strength can keep value multiples high for a long time. So far, the closest NVIDIA has come to nailing AI is making a community that developers love and depend on, which is a big part of its success. We are going through a paradigm shift, and NVIDIA is a key player, similar to how Microsoft and Apple did during their changing times. NVIDIA is shifting its focus from making simple hardware to building complex AI and machine learning systems that are at the heart of many technology advances. NVIDIA's goods and services are important to the future of many fields, from gaming and cars to healthcare and smart infrastructure. This wide range of importance, along with NVIDIA's dedication to new ideas, keeps the company at the cutting edge of technological progress. Vivek Arya of Bank of America said that NVIDIA's success isn't a fluke. In the tech world, market leaders usually own about 80% of their niche. In the AI area, NVIDIA is likely to follow this trend. Vivek thinks that generative AI will be widely used in 3 to 5 years, which makes his bullish view on NVIDIA's stock even stronger. In addition, NVIDIA's business plans are interesting. Over the next 3 years, they should make more than $270 billion in cash, which could be good for owners. With this kind of financial health, high-value multiples could last for a long time. If our viewers are thinking about NVIDIA's future after its recent drop, the advice from experts is clear: buy NVIDIA or buy more NVIDIA, especially if you are a tech trader interested in deep learning, AI, and GPU acceleration. It's not just a good time to buy. Now is also a chance to invest in a company at the forefront of a major technology shift, similar to how Apple and Microsoft were at key points in their own transitions. A lot of people are quick to say that the current tech craze is like the dot-com boom, but they're wrong. Today's AI investment boom is backed by big companies with strong balance sheets, unlike the dot-com era when it was driven by speculative loans. Some people may say that NVIDIA's stock seems to be overvalued during talks, but this expert doesn't agree. They say that while the S&P 500 trades at about 2 times earnings growth, NVIDIA's price is less than 1 time its earnings growth. This shows that NVIDIA did a good job, which will likely help it keep over 80% of the market for AI chips, which Bank of America says could triple in the next few years. Another well-known tech analyst brought up an interesting point. Only a few companies, Apple and Google from the mobile revolution, Amazon and Microsoft from the cloud computing revolution, have become mega caps because of major tech changes. With the AI revolution happening now, NVIDIA is putting itself in a unique situation by building AI factories. These companies aren't just making apps, they're also getting ready to make software on the fly, which is a completely new way of doing things that could reach a market worth trillions of dollars. NVIDIA is present in the market in many more ways than just its main chips. The company has skillfully put together a full ecosystem of AI development tools and services, which makes it even more of a star in AI. Notably, NVIDIA's move into new areas of AI like sovereign AI is a form of strategy diversification. Even though NVIDIA didn't make any money in this area last year, sovereign AI is now set to become a big source of income, showing that the company can spot and take advantage of new growth possibilities. This multifaceted approach to growth and new ideas is similar to Tesla's method in the auto and energy industries. Like NVIDIA, Tesla has added electric cars, solar energy solutions, and high-capacity batteries to its main products, which has increased its market effect and revenue streams. NVIDIA's growth into software for AI uses is similar to Tesla's development of its own software for automating vehicles and managing energy. Because of these plans, NVIDIA's recent drop in stock price should be understood in its proper context. In the past, the company has shown that it can bounce back from drops in the market with new products and stronger marketplaces. NVIDIA's standing in the tech industry is about to get stronger with the release of its Blackwell design, which looks like it will be its most powerful chip yet. NVIDIA is dedicated to constant improvement and new ideas. It plans to update its chip technology every year, just like Tesla updates its car software and battery technology on a regular basis to stay on the cutting edge of the auto industry. For investors, the comparison between NVIDIA and Tesla shows a useful lesson. Big tech companies that put money into new ideas across many areas and change with the times can handle short-term changes and are set up for long-term growth and market control. As our talk about NVIDIA comes to a close, let's quickly go over the main points. With a huge 80% market share, NVIDIA still rules the AI chip market and is set to grow even more thanks to its cutting-edge AI factories and the upcoming release of its game-changing Blackwell architecture. NVIDIA still has a lot of room to grow, thanks to its wide range of goods and its move into new AI areas like sovereign AI. Now please tell us what you think. Are you sure that NVIDIA will stay on top of the AI market? What do you think will happen in the AI field in the next 10 years? Write down your ideas and guesses in the space below. If you learned something from today's video and want to stay up to date on the latest news about Tesla and other tech stocks, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Thanks for watching. See you next time.